vested in me as president, I have today posthumously conferred upon the Right Honorable Raila Odinga the highest honor of the Republic, the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart of Kenya. Fellow citizens, I recall that when I spoke during Raila Odinga's state funeral, I wondered, where will another Raila come from? The truth is, there will forever be only one Raila Amolo Odinga, a single spirit, a towering patriot, and a hero for ages. But if we, the people he so deeply loved and served, choose to live by the lessons he taught us, to love Kenya more than we love ourselves, to put unity above division, to aspire for greater, and to serve with courage and conviction, then we can become a great nation of 50 million heroes. And in doing so, Kenya will rise from the heights once thought unimaginable within our generation. That, fellow patriots, is our noble challenge on this Mashujaa Day. Kabla sijamaliza hotuba yangu, ndugu wananchi wa Kitui na Kenya, kwanza mimi nataka niwashukuru sana wananchi wa Kitui